Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a repair video on a Gallagher B100, I think it is. Yeah, G392454. That is a B100. They did make a B200 and 300. I don't remember what the 300's part number is, but the 200 was G393454. So the B300 is probably like 394, 395, 494, whatever. But anyway, we're going to go through this, see if we can get this figured out. Note on it says prior to quitting, it would pulse very fast, and after an hour, slow down to normal pulse. So that's kind of a bizarre one. Well, let's hook up a. Let's take this cover off first, and then we'll power it up here and see what it does. Let me get my screwdriver to pop these screws out with. Here's our information if you'd like to get a hold of us, either for repairs or parts. Fencerfixer.com is our website. We also work in cattle scales, low bars, mostly Gallagher and True Test, but we work on all brands of electric fence boxes. There are links down below in the description area that will take you to our website. How old is this unit? 2013, so 10 years old. And it's got a late 2012 main board and a early 2013 control board. So this is still got all the original parts to it. So let's pull this board out real quick. See, there's some corrosion right here on this. Probably need a new main board in it. Control board looks pristine. Let's pull this off. This little rubber gasket. That's a separate part that does not come with a new board. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Moisture. Yeah, this is a mess. Alright, let me get a new main board for this. Give me just a minute. Alright, here's a new board. Looks quite a bit different, but that's the new B100 board. Alright. Alright, so now let me get a cord for it. The way he says it. Can you bring me a light? So it says. Yeah. Alright, get battery power supply set to about 12.5 volts. We'll come down here to the front, turn the switch to 1. flicking real fast. Like the guy was saying. So we must have a control board bad too, but that board doesn't look bad. But when you get moisture in it, maybe it's dried out since we got it. There's another new main board, or new control board. There it goes. Put a tester across it. Getting just about 10,000 volts out of the thing.
This would work? No?
I don't know who it belongs to. Huh? I brought it over earlier. I brought the other Parmac 6-volt over. Alright, well that's it for this one. This one's basically done. It's almost brand new on the inside, and even though it needs both those parts, still a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a new one. The new model's called the S100, like $450, $500 for a new one. So sure it pays to fix these old ones. But anyways, if you got a fence chart that needs to be looked at, I'd be happy to take a peek at it for you. It's a pretty quick and painless one. So until next time, see you guys later on, and remember to subscribe and tell your friends about us.